Hey, Sarah O'Kelly here with Skipper's Review TV, and I am with Ed Ruff from EC Ruff Marine. And Skipper's Review TV, EC Ruff Marine, we're documenting a short series of refits, installs. We did LED lighting. Today we're doing bow thrusters, specifically SE130 bow thrusters, just to give you an idea of what it takes to get a bow thruster installed. So this was actually a special circumstances on this particular boat, right? He was actually told he wouldn't be able to fit the SE130 bow thruster.
Or any thruster in the Viking that he owns.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so you had to cut out, and this is what you cut out.
There was an actual through-hull fitting in the way inside the boat that we cut out, and then we'll dismantle this so we can relocate this forward of the tunnel for one of the showers for the overboard discharge. And we were able to get the thruster tunnel in the boat and start the lamination today.
What was it that made the owner decide we're working on a 47-foot Viking? What was it that made him decide to get the bow thruster installed?
He's dealing with current, and he's dealing with a floating dock to be able to maneuver the boat around to get it in its slip. So it was getting harder and harder for him on different sea conditions and windy days to be able to maneuver the boat in and out of the slip. So he opted with going with a new bow thruster aftermarket side power SE130 install. Because of the current and the wind that he's dealing with, we opted with that size, and with the windage calc sheet from side power is what they recommended.
It was just a good fit for his circumstances.
The side power product is a dual 5-bladed prop. It has a sealed gear leg. It has zincs on the outside, coupler on the inside. It has a temperature switch. The bow thruster motors run for 3 minutes of runtime, and 5 minutes they shut off. And they have the most safety features in all the thrusters out there in the market.
So how many hours would it normally take to install these bow thrusters? I mean, you're doing a special fit. You have to cut out the fiberglass and everything else. But if it was, say, ready to go, how long would it take to install one of these?
This one here, normally it's about 60 hours of work, from cutting the hole to pulling the wires for the controls, making custom 2-watt cables on this, putting the Group 31 batteries, glass mat sealed ×2 in the boat, with a fuse holder and a kill switch, and then testing the directions after that.
Hopefully you guys know what he's talking about, because I haven't got a clue, but it sounds pretty good to me.
This is a bow thruster for the bow, and then the customer doesn't have room in the stern of this boat, so we're just doing a bow. But other type of vessels could have a bow and a stern thruster. Yes.
This is Sarah O'Kelly with Skipper's Review TV on one more install, and this time was a bow thruster.